Today we are gonna learn present perfect simple and present perfect continuous. Hello English friends! Professor José Luiz today bringing you something to clarify, to clear up in your mind this difference between simple present perfect and present perfect continuous. Actually, a few weeks ago I posted a video explaining the differences between present perfect simple and simple past. If you haven't seen this video yet, I really suggest that you find here in the comments area, in the description area, the link for that, and then you come to this video, okay? Basically, we use the present perfect simple in two situations. Or when we have an action that happened in the past, finished in the past, but it provokes, some kind of consequence up to the present. Example, I've lost my key. I have lost my key. Present perfect simple, talking about a situation that happened in the past, finished in the past, but now we have a consequence at present. Now I can't enter my house because I lost the key. So the consequence is this one. Now I can't enter. Situation number two for present perfect simple is when the action really continues up to the present moment. Started in the past and continues. For example, when I say, I have lived in Brazil all my life, this all my life suggests that this situation really continues. I was born here and I still live here. A possible problem with the present perfect simple is that not always the context explains to us, makes it clear to us if the situation really continues. If I say to you, she has worked as a dentist for 4 years. Depending on the situation, I don't know if she really continues working as a dentist up to now, or if she worked for 4 years and I am just talking about the consequence. I mean, the experience that she has now because of the 4 years as a dentist in the past. On the other hand, when I use the present perfect continuous, now, yes, I have a much clearer indication that the situation still goes on up to the moment and probably will even continue in the future. I have been teaching English for a long time. I have been teaching. Present perfect continuous. Usually we use it to express the idea of an action in a repetitive process, something that started in the past and continues repetitively up to the present moment. Of course, in this video, I'm showing you only one aspect of the present perfect continuous. There are some variations which are not the purpose of this video. In this video, I just want to show you the basic stuff, the basic concept, so as you don't confuse these two guys anymore, present perfect continuous and present perfect simple. In short, then, I would say to you, use the simple to talk about results and use the present perfect continuous to talk about, to express the repetitiveness of this process. Let me give you an example. She has been traveling to different countries for a long time. She has been visiting countries. So I am telling you about a process that started in the past and continues up to the present. Maybe at the moment she's at home, she's not traveling. but she started the process, and the process continues up to now, not necessarily at this very moment, and will probably go on in the future. Now the result. She has visited 14 countries so far. Look, I described the repetitiveness of the situation using the continuous. She has been traveling. And I described the result up to the moment using the simple. She has visited 14 countries. So I really hope this concept now is much clearer for you. If you have any questions, I would be really happy to answer them, okay? Write here in the comments area if you really understood it. Share this video with your friends, okay? And give us a big like, and I really hope to be with you next. Bye bye.